Welcome! In this short demo, we'll walk through how to migrate data between two PostgreSQL databases hosted on Hetzner using DBConvert Streams. Let's begin by setting up a new server on Hetzner Cloud. From the dashboard, click Create Resource and choose Server. Select a location, for example Helsinki, and pick an image. We'll go with Docker CE on Ubuntu. Choose your server type here. We're using a CPX21 instance with IPv4 enabled. Once ready, click Create and Buy Now to launch the server. Once the server is ready, we copy its public IP address. This IP will be used to connect via SSH and configure the PostgreSQL instance for migration. Just run SSH root at server IP in your terminal. We already copied the IP earlier. After logging in, we create folders and start PostgreSQL using Docker. We check that the PostgreSQL container is running with Docker PS. Next, we connect to the running container and prepare our source database. We create a simple users table and insert a few test records to simulate real data. This database will be our migration source. To install DBConvert Streams, we run the one-line installation script. The wizard guides us through the setup and installs all required dependencies. The system automatically configures networking and Jinx. Once installed, we launch the platform by running start.sh. DBConvert Streams is now up and running on our Hetzner server. To access the DBConvert Streams dashboard, copy your Hetzner server's IP address and open it in a browser tab. This opens the web interface running on your deployed Hetzner instance. Then, log into streams.convert.com and copy your API key from the account dashboard. Paste the key into the prompt on your Hetzner hosted dashboard and click Continue. The API key is required to proceed. It links your installation to your DBConvert Streams account and enables the interface. Once the dashboard is ready, we click Create New Connection to add our first database. Select PostgreSQL as the database type, and enter your server's IP address. This is the same Hetzner IP we used earlier. Specify the port, database name, user credentials, and target schema. Click Test Connection to verify access, then hit Add. After adding the connection, we click Explore to inspect the database structure and data. In the Structure tab, we can see the users table with its columns, types, and constraints. The DDL tab shows the SQL definition of the table, useful if you need to recreate it elsewhere. Finally, in the Data tab, we confirm that our test records are present. This verifies the connection and ensures the data is ready for migration. For this demo, we'll keep things simple and create both source and target databases on the same Hetzner server. In a production setup, they would typically be hosted on separate servers. We click New Connection, choose PostgreSQL, and reuse the same server IP and credentials. This time, we create a new database. Let's name it Target. After confirming the schema and testing the connection, we click Add to save it. Now we create a new stream to migrate data. We choose the source and target connections in this case, both running on the same Hetzner server, and select the users table for transfer. Once the stream is configured, we click Start to launch the migration. The monitoring dashboard shows real-time progress. It goes through all stages: initializing, replicating structure, transferring data, and confirming completion. Here we can see all 5 records were successfully migrated from source to target. Finally, let's explore the target database to confirm the results. We open the connection and navigate to the users table. And here they are: all 5 records have been successfully migrated. The structure and data match exactly with the source.